Hi, this is Jedis for Jesus, and I just wanted to make an update video about my back surgery. It has been now over 6 months. The end of this month will be 7 months, and I'm glad I had the surgery, but this is Jedis for Jesus, and we are Bible-believing Christians, and if you want to find the truth, that is where you look. I still have back pain. It's not as bad as it used to be. I don't have the sciatic nerve problem anymore going down my leg, but I still do feel the back pain when I wake up in the morning, when I sit too long, or anything like that. But the weirdest feelings that I've had is the nerves healing. And it takes a long time. That's what my doctor was telling me, that once the nerves get pinched and they get damaged, they take a long time to heal. So I've had some weird feelings in my back. I'm going to go ahead and share some pictures with you. This picture right here that I'm sharing with you, that is the incision they made in the front. I found out that it's a lot easier for them to go through the front, so they make that incision in the front, and I can go ahead and show you some other pictures that how it looked before when the bandage got taken off. This is how it looked, and this is how it looks today. So what they do is they go in through the front and they go ahead and remove all the stuff to make a way to get in the spacer that they put in there. And I think for them putting that spacer in there, for me, I actually grew a ½ an inch. So I was actually shrinking, but after they put that spacer in, it's like I got a little bit taller. So that was kind of neat. But now, the thing that I was telling you earlier about my back area where they had incisions, so this is what it looks like today. And these are where they put in the rods and the pins. They put it through the back, and what I'm feeling sometimes in these the holes right here, or what used to be holes on either side of my back, I feel a burning sensation coming from the inside. It feels like it's pushing out, and I would assume that's just my body getting used to all the stuff that's inside of me. But here is a picture of how it looks from the inside. So I'm going to go ahead and share another picture with you, and that is what I have inside of me. So I guess my body's getting used to having all that inside of me. Now I go in again at the beginning of July to go ahead and have the doctor at that time said if everything looks good, they're going to do another x-ray, I can be released. If you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you! And there's no restriction, but after 6 months of not doing, 6.5 months of not really being able to lift stuff or do anything, there has been occasions where I would pick something up that was over 20 pounds, and then sometimes bringing in the groceries or something like that, instead of taking one bag at a time, you might take 3, and I guarantee you that's probably over 20 pounds sometimes. But no problems. I did everything that the doctors told me to do, and as of right now, I went ahead and decided to, I'm doing a little bit more cardio, and decided to watch what I eat, and I've lost 10 pounds. So I'm on track to go ahead and lose another 20 pounds. So if you go ahead and follow this channel, you'll see my progression on losing the weight. So might want to lose a little bit more than that, but you know, that helps out your body. And then some other things, instead of going to a gym and spending a membership, you know, $65 to a gym that I'd like to go to would be In Shape. It has an indoor and outdoor pool, but $65, that's kind of, you know, after a year, you know, that adds up. So I decided to go ahead and get, I got a Lipto bike, I got a treadmill, and then I'm going to go ahead and get a full workout weight set. And I'll go ahead and share that with you too. But I just want to make sure that this surgery and my recovery of back surgery is going to work out, and I'll go ahead and definitely make another video about how everything's going, and especially 1 year of the anniversary of having the surgery. I will make another video, but meanwhile, between now and then, there will be other videos that I'll go ahead and mention things here and there. So I'd really appreciate it if you go ahead and subscribe, and I appreciate you watching this video. So bottom line, if I had to do it all over again when I had the surgery, there are a few ways that you can help us out. Subscribe, hit that notification button, watch some of our longer videos, and check out our Amazon storefront. Links are in the description below. Thank you. If I had to do it all over again when I had the surgery, yes, I would. And nothing is guaranteed in life. This is, like I said, a very long process. I am grateful to God for taking care of our family financially. Everything's good. If you do have any questions about what I went through or what I did or anything like that, please shoot me a message. You can email me, you can put a message underneath this video. I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. And like I always like to say, this is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you someday soon in heaven.